as you can see, my hair is 98% dry, looks nearly dry. Small section. It's so easy using this tool. How beautiful is that? No more blow dry, big round brush. You can just create all of the curl that you need and all of the body that you need. Little bit of spray. You can have as much body or as little body as you like. I love it. And that'll last for a few days. Obviously it won't be as bouncy after you've slept on it, but it's still good. Thanks for watching.